My name is Lindsey Frank and I teach second grade. I chose to go to Concordia to be a teacher so that I could be best equipped to share the gospel with my students, and I knew that Concordia was the place that was going to help me do that. Being a Lutheran school teacher has impacted me professionally because I feel like the community that I have around me truly strives to make our students better each day in mind, body, spirit. Personally, just witnessing the growth that our students have and being able to be a little bit of an impact on their journey is meaningful. I would say the teacher that impacted me the most, or professor at Concordia, would be Dr. Muth. Just her comfort and the way she just handled things with such grace and calm, and just made us feel at home and that we could ask anything, and that helped me know as a teacher myself how I want to be approachable for my students. The course that I would say was the most impactful for me was teaching the faith. I would recommend going to Concordia for education. Number one, because they are on the cutting edge of what education looks like, what an education degree needs to include, but also there's the spiritual aspect where you're being filled with the gospel at the same time and helping you grow as a whole person, not just as a professional. The classes were meaningful, the people were meaningful, and the profession is meaningful.